THETA or Render? Because 2 months ago, on January 21st, we compared the two of them, and back then, Render was sitting at less than 10 cents. Yeah, and now it's over $1.50. So if you watched that video and you invested, you would have made over 1,000% return. So congratulations. That's what these videos are for, to present to you some of the best investments that I believe are out there. And THETA back then was less than $2. So from then till now, you would have made 6 times your money, which is impressive in of itself as well. So just because Render had a better return, that does not mean that THETA is a bad investment whatsoever. Because if we go further back to a year ago, THETA would have given you a much better investment than Render. But the reason why Render is going up recently is because now they're available on the Mac software, which is amazing news for them because they're working with Apple, one of the biggest companies in the world, if not the biggest company in the world actually. Render has a technology called Otoi, and it is the world's fastest GPU accelerated, unbiased, physically correct renderer. So basically that means that it makes pictures much better and faster. That's what you have to know about this technology. That's what they are focused on, and the fact that they're now available on the Apple software, the Mac operating system, that is great news for them. That's why they've been going up. I'll leave a link to them down below if you want to check them out. I still believe that both of them, THETA and Render, can still go up a lot in 2021. So also in February 28th, we covered them as well, and I chose Render as the winner. And back then, Render was only sitting at 21 cents. And now they are over $1.50. So you would have made 6 times your money or more, actually, if you invested on that day. So again, ladies and gentlemen, that's why I'm making this videos, is to provide you clarity on what you should do next. And I believe the next steps for them, both of them actually, is we will see some type of consolidation, because they have both been going up tremendously, and it might come back down just a little bit because now also the whole market is coming down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Ripple, all the biggest cryptos are coming down. So Render and THETA will eventually feel the impact of that. And Render today alone is up over 80% as I'm recording this video. Yes, 80%, because the volume has been spiking up a lot. So that massive spike in volume is the reason why we have seen the parabolic move up. I do expect some type of consolidation. So yes, it might keep going up, don't get me wrong. So if you're invested in it and you've been invested for 2 months now, do not sell all your tokens. That's not what I'm saying, but expect it to go either way. In this market, we really do not know what's going to happen. It feels like every single day is something new, and Render is no different. So yes, it might keep going up, but if it does go down, do not be scared. If you have been invested, see that as a great buying opportunity. Just like I say with all the other great projects, I say the same thing. If it goes down, see that as a great buying opportunity, especially if you are invested in it. Me personally, I am not invested in Render, and this is one of the tokens that I wish I did invest in back when I presented it to you. Because if I invested 2 months ago, I would have made close to 2,000% return so far. But that is a learning lesson for me. Let me know if you invested back when I first presented it to you, because some of you said that you were going to look into Render. Actually, a lot of you said that you were going to look into it. So if you did invest, leave a comment down below. I really want to hear from y'all. And which one do you think is better going forward now? THETA token or Render, and why? What do you think about the THETA mainnet 3 delay? We spoke about it yesterday, and check out some of my other videos as well. I speak about Ripple, the Singularity Net, THETA and THETA Fuel all the time, Hedera Hashgraph as well. You guys show amazing support on all those videos. And I present to you other altcoins that are smaller, like the Syndicator, Certic, QuantStamp, Autonio, many that you probably have not looked into yet. So take a look, it's right there on the screen. Leave a like on this video as well, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching up until this point, and until next time, Mr. Mufleh out.
To